TTAC Live Self-Study Guide Video Series Part 4. One powerful trade signal. With over 5,300 points. We're talking in just 47 trading hours. How possible? I hear you cry. Well, stick around to discover the how, the when, and the what. This is a further update on the outcome of the technical analysis conducted on US30 and the application of an epic, innovative non-repaint indicator that is taking the markets by storm. This Techarrhythmics flagship market solution will blow your mind. Let's get started. This is US30 daily time frame. The previous videos in this series showcased the epic indicator live in action on April 2nd. Following the pre-market analysis conducted using a top-down approach. As seen here on the daily time frame, the dominant trend was established as bearish. A market rally was subsequently anticipated after the April 1st doji indecision day, annotated in blue. That is, an upward move that would gravitate to the gap denoted as market void 1 on the chart before a down thrust for trend continuation and a market onslaught to take out pools of liquidity resting below multiple swing lows. Examining this Wednesday, April 2nd candle here, we can see the moves played out exactly as analyzed, where we got two live buy signals on the 5-minute time frame, with moves that rallied nicely to the gap region at a predetermined delineated higher time frame, key zone confluence. A rejection of this powerful level plays out, with a swing high formed on the lower time frame. A sudden market down thrust occurs, signaling the resumption of the downtrend. The market puts in a lower low after running multiple swing lows, before the deep retracement shown here. Again, note the price gaps denoted here as market voids for potential future gap fills. As mentioned in a previous video in this series, price tends to gravitate towards these areas, a very frequent occurrence worth capitalizing on, whatever floats your boat. Measuring from the predetermined higher time frame, key zone confluence, we see a move of over 6,000 points all the way down to this lower low level. Two live sell signals trigger on the 5-minute time frame as the market draws to a close on April 2nd, and another one after the market reopens with a gap down, denoted as market void 2. The big question is, what did the very first sell signal had to offer in its bid to grab a good chunk of this juicy pie in this down thrust? The horizontal line displayed here marks the hypothetical entry level that is at the open of the candle that follows the trigger bar. Now, it is important to note that one of the applicable techniques is finding an entry level that is in close proximity to the higher time frame key zone confluence. Let's focus on the very first sell signal that was triggered as the downtrend resumed. Here you can see this move measures over 5,340 points in a span of just about 47 trading hours. This is mind-blowing. That's a massive chunk of the juicy pie, to say the least. Subsequent sell signals triggered are also shown in the previous videos, with a massive move identified on this large range candle in part 3 of the video series. If you're finding value in this walkthrough video, hit the subscribe button, share this video with others, give it a like, and comment below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the free upcoming live sessions. Let's take a quick glance at the 1-hour time frame to see the market flow when we drill down from the daily time frame. Here on the 1-hour time frame, you can clearly see the rally from March 31st, with these session highs being violated, one after another, right up to April 2nd before the market closes. What follows is a massive down thrust as momentum to the downside is evidently displayed here. We can drop down to the 5-minute time frame to see the live signals that were generated to put things in perspective. The 2 buy signals in green can be seen on the left and the 3 red sell signals on the right. As at the time of recording part 3 of this video series, the first sell signal had offered a 2,899-point move. We can now update this figure to reflect the full move by April 7th. A whopping 5,343 points, with no further retracement to the signal entry level. Simply phenomenal. Now you know the how, and the when. Just in case you still don't know the what, all these epic moves were generated by none other than Pathfinder, 317 Explosive Scalper Indicator, an all-in-one non-repaint indicator that is suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Check out parts 1, 2, and 3 of this video series detailing the analysis and various aspects of the indicator, as well as techniques employed in real time coupled with live signal generation. If you haven't done so already, be sure to watch the entire video series to piece everything together. Note, this indicator is applicable to a wide variety of markets. Check out the channel playlist for videos on various markets, where you'll find both backtesting and live chart videos alike. Be sure to watch all the videos on how Techorhythmics squeezed 475 trade moves out of nerve-wracking US30 in 1 month. Simply amazing. Techorhythmics will kick off with the free TTAC live self-study sessions on YouTube shortly, where we will be examining the markets collectively by employing Pathfinder, 317 Explosive Scalper Indicator. You'll have the opportunity of exploring a plethora of moves as the charts unravel, to gain further insight into the indicator's overall performance while studying and journaling extensively. Join the team and be a part of the phenomenal TTAC force as we collectively aim to overcome market challenges and to impact the trading community in an unprecedented way. If you're up for the challenge and want to see moves like these, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of the live sessions. Be sure to also invite others for an eye-opening and game-changing experience. You'll never look back. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the upcoming free TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.